Hi there, welcome back. So in this next session, we're going to look at the most important element of the handover process, and that's creating a new handover. The handover platform allows you to create handovers in various different formats, whether it's a screencast, whether you'd like to upload your own video, or whether you'd like to upload a document, like a Microsoft Word document or PowerPoint presentation. It's important before you start your handover to ensure that you've decided in what format you'd like to deliver your handover in, and make sure you've gathered all the content that you need to produce your handover. Right, let's get started. So first of all, create a new handover by hitting the Create New Handover button. Then simply choose what type of handover you'd like to create. So whether it's a simple handover or whether it's quite an in-depth handover which requires multiple sections. So in this example, we'll just choose a simple handover. Then we enter the handover name. We add a description for our handover and hit the Continue button. Then we decide who this handover is for. So whether it's for a new member of staff or an existing staff. For this example, we choose a new member of staff. And we just indicate what will be learned in this handover. So for example, we'll be learning how to create a new handover in the screencast, but you can also add up to 3 points here. So if there's any additional points, just hit the Add Another button and then hit Continue. Next, we choose how we'd like to communicate our handover, so whether it's using a screen or voice recording, uploading a video, or uploading a document. So in this example, we'll choose a screen recording. Then hit Continue. And then we need to download the screen recording app, which basically allows us to record what's on our screen in order for us to deliver this to the new members of staff. So we'll download the plugin. We also need to prepare our handover content, and then we can start recording. So assuming we've done all of these 3 things, we hit the Continue Screen Recorder button. And if we would like to learn more about how this works, we can just take a quick tour. So this basically just shows us in 3 simple steps how to record a screencast. Right, so first things, we choose what recording option we'd like to use. So in this example, we'll go for screen and voice recording. And then we can actually start recording. Because this is a demo, it isn't going to record anything, so we'll just assume that it's recorded and hit Done. And now we arrive at our screencast page, which basically lists all of the screencasts that we have. If we wanted to add another step, we can just hit this button here, or if we're happy with the screen recording, we can hit Continue. The next section allows us to add a quiz. So this is really good if you want to make sure that the people that you're delivering this handover to understand how this handover works. So we'll hit Yes and then hit Continue. First thing we need to do is type in a question. So the idea is to ask a question that would give you a very good idea that the person that's taking this handover fully understands. Then we hit Continue. Then we add some quiz answers. So we add 1 correct answer, and we can add up to 3 incorrect answers, and then hit Done. And that's pretty much it. So the next step here is to review and publish the handover. If we wanted to add another section at this stage, we can just hit the Add Another Section button, but we're just going to review and publish. So this is the handover confirmation page. So here we can review all of the information that we've added for this handover. Just make sure we're 100% okay with everything. If there's anything that needs to be changed or edited, we can just hit the edit button next to each section. Once we're 100% happy, we publish. And that's it. This is the handover screen, and this is basically where all of the handover content will be displayed, along with information about the manager or person that's delivering the handover. Excellent. Thank you.